Students, in this video we are going to see the remaining problems, how to find the convolution integral examples. Here in this video I am going to consider some exponential function examples. So first example is compute the we are going to find the convolution of the two signals given by that x of t is 1 for 0 to t and h of t is equal to t for 0 to 2t. So we are going to, for this example, it is convenient to calculate the convolution in a separate intervals x of tau as a sketch and h of t minus tau is a sketch in each of the intervals. So now we know to find the convolution integral, we need to remember the three steps. First one is we need to draw h of t minus tau, then x of tau. So after that, second step is we need to multiply x of tau into h of t minus tau, and third step is we need to do the integration of that product with the limits minus tau to tau to get the output y of t. So the first step, we are going to draw x of tau and h of t minus tau. Now x of tau is nothing but it is existing from 0 to, so t is less than 0, t is less than 0 and t is less than 3t, and x of tau into h of t minus tau, it is 0 because it is existing from 0 to t. So above the values, if it is below 0 also, it is existing from 0 to 3t only. So here here 0, so here the lower signal is 0 and here also lower signal is 0, 0 plus 0 will get 0. Here in the upper case also, if you see, here it is t, here it is 2t. So t plus 2t is nothing but 3t, up to 3t it is existing, and above the 3t, if it is less than t is less than 0 also, the value is 0, and t is greater than 3t also, the value is 0. So this y of t, it is the product of these two, it is existing from only from 0 to 3t. So for the interval of tau, so the remaining values under y of t is 0. So for other intervals, the product x of tau and h of t minus tau can be found in the figure. So thus for the three intervals we are going to find. Now we can see this is our x of tau. So x of tau is nothing but it is existing from 0 to t. So I consider 0 to t, the value is nothing but a 1. Next one, h of t minus tau. h of t minus tau, it is t from 0 to 2t. So 0 to 2t, it is t. 0 to 2t. If t is less than 0 is nothing but a t to t minus 2t. The same thing if it is t is t minus tau. Next one is t, this is t minus tau. If 0 is less than t, the t value we are going to consider 0 to t, 0 to first t, 0 to t, t to 2t, and 2t to 3t. So we are going to consider the first one is t is less than 0, t is less than 0, this value is t to t minus 2 tau. There is no multiplication of these two, it is 0. So the y of 0 value is, it is 0. Now I am going to x of t minus tau, it is 0 to t. 0 to t is nothing but it is existing from t to t minus 2t, t to t minus 2t. So here it is product of this one, it is existing only from 0 to t, 0 to t, 0 to t. Next one is it is from t to 2t. So it is existing from t to capital T to 0t. Same way, now it is from 2t to 3t, 2t to 3t, it is from t to t minus 2t to t. So here product of this one will get it as a t minus tau to 2t, and if it is greater than 3t value, it is 0 only. So y of t value, it is 0. So this, like this you can do for the graphical way also. Otherwise we can, if you want, we can multiply and do it. See, this is nothing but a y of t is less than 0. Next one is nothing but a t to t minus 2. Next one is like this, it is moving. You can see it, you can observe here, it is t to t minus 2t, h of t minus tau. Next case, you can see t is shifting from here to, so t to t minus 2 only it is shifting. Next to t it is shifting here, next to t it is shifting here. So that is nothing but it is existing from t value, it is existing from t to 2t, t to 0 to t, t 2t to 3t. So if you multiply, we'll get, if you product of these two will get it as x of tau into h of t minus tau. So here also product of these two will get it as a 0 to t. We can take the values. The same thing will get this also. The last value is greater than 3t, the value is 0. Now we can write it, this is in the expression. If it is 0, it is 1 by 2 to t square. So you can write it in the expression also. If it is 0 to t, 1 by 2 into t square. If it is t to 2t, t minus 1 by 2 into t square. This one, if you do the integration for the above expressions, we'll get this expression. This is the final output. I hope you understood. Thank you all.